Quest Original Style Protein Chips, Cheddar Sour Cream, in today's episode of Nightfall Healthy Snack Hero review or whatever. And we're going to be trying them. They have 350 milligrams of sodium, which is 15% of your daily value. And it has cholesterol at 10 milligrams, which is 3%. Saturated fat at 1 gram, which is 5%. Total fat, which is at 5 grams, which is 6%. Your carbohydrates, you're only getting 5 grams of those. You're getting a little bit of dietary fiber, which is at 1 gram. Then you're getting just under a gram of total sugars. Then you're getting 19 whole grams of protein in this little bag of chips, which is 38% of your daily value. And these only cost like a couple dollars if you have a membership to Vitamin Shop. So it's about $2 and pretty good sized bag for that are never baked chips that have a lot of protein in them. It has 180 milligrams of calcium, 40 milligrams of potassium, just a tiny bit of iron in it, like 0.2 milligrams, and it comes from milk protein isolate and whey protein isolate. Okay, let's get into the review. They have a slightly weird smell, but I bet they taste good. Oh, and they're never fried, just baked. See? Maybe I need to try two at the same time because it's giving me a weird aftertaste. Let me see. The flavor builds up. At first, you get a weird aftertaste, but for something so cheap that has a lot of protein in it, I'm gonna have to give it just props for that. I'm gonna have to give this a 10 out of 10 Nightfall Fist Justice. Yeah, tastes good after you had a couple of them, so it's pretty good. Okay, see you guys later. I know Give Heroes, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. If you want to watch that video over there, watch that video over there. If you want to watch that video over there, watch that video over there. If you want to subscribe, click the button in the middle. See you guys later. I know Give Heroes, and see you in the next video.